What's going on, guys? Howtoadvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to speed up your internet. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to apply these techniques and be on your way to lightning speed internet. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Method number 10, check your data cap. A data cap means you can use a certain amount of data every month, anything from a couple hundred megabytes to hundreds of gigabytes. If you exceed your data limit use, your internet service provider will seriously restrict your internet speeds. And you'll notice reduced speeds, so talk to your provider about a plan with a higher data limit. Method number 9, reset your router. Reset your router every month or so to give the device a break and refresh your internet connection. If you experience serious speed issues, you might consider resetting your router every day. Method number 8, move your router. Is your router in some remote corner of your house? If so, move it somewhere else. Method number 7, embrace Ethernet. If you can, connect your most important devices to the internet via an Ethernet cable. Method number 6, block ads. Install an ad blocking plugin that will shut down those heavy data autoplay videos, and you'll free up some breathing room for your connection. Method number 5, use a streamlined browser. If you keep dozens of tabs and windows open on your browser, try closing any unnecessary tabs. Method number 4, install virus and malware scanners. It's probably obvious that any viruses or malware lurking on your computer will put a major drag on your internet speed. Once you have some good software, you can set it to scan for viruses and malware automatically on a regular basis. If the software finds any existing viruses or malware, it will get it removed so you can have an easier browsing experience. Method number 3, install a clear cache plugin. Make it a habit to clear your cache every day so all that accumulated data doesn't affect your internet speeds. You can try any clear cache software. Method number 2, negotiate with your internet service provider. Call your provider and ask about alternative plans, or do some research online to find out what other users are paying for similar plans, or look on the internet to find out similar deals online that other companies offer, maybe at an even lower price. Method number 1, get a different internet provider. Sometimes your internet provider is the biggest problem. We know this is not the easiest way to get this solved, but if you tried all these tips, then maybe it's a good choice to search for an alternative provider. Thank you for watching the entire video, good luck and stay tuned.